How to fix Steam Remote Play feature not working in Windows. Relaunch the Steam client. Go to Settings Remote Play and check the Enable Remote Play option. Click OK to apply the changes. Relaunch the Steam client and verify if there is any improvement. Click the Client Beta Participation drop-down and choose No Beta Chosen. When prompted, click Restart Now. Steam will shut down the client and commence installing the latest version of the stable release. If that didn't work, uncheck the TCP/IPv6 option and click OK to save the changes. Close the control panel and check if Remote Play is working. If the issue persists, enable the IPv6 option in the connection properties and proceed with the next steps. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.